Dahil sa init ng panahon, nag-decide kami gumawa ng scramble. Hi, I'm Twinkle. And this is how we spent the day. Ito pala yung mga topics ng scramble natin. Chocolate syrup, marshmallows, and candies. Ito ang mga ingredients ng scramble. Condensed milk, banana essence, red food coloring, and many crushed ice. Paghalu-haluin natin lahat ng ingredients at lagyan ng maraming skim milk para mas masarap. Haluin natin siya using a hand mixer. Ready for serving na. Ilagay natin sa cup, topped with skim milk, mini marshmallows, and their choice of candy, and also chocolate syrup. Okay, Lino. Gawa pa tayo ng isang cup. Okay na, oh. And last but not least, a cup for me. Scramble is really the best when enjoyed with friends. Thank you for watching. Bye!